Okay, today I have a quick tutorial for you guys, and it's, nothing special, just how to make, those typical whoop sounds. Woopediwoopwoop. They sound like this, in case you don't know what I'm talking about. And there's really nothing special to this. Basic patch for it looks like this. And we're gonna do it from the start and see if we can make something similar. We're gonna start with massive. And maybe change this envelope a bit. And what makes this sound, it's really easy. You just take this envelope right here. And see, it's already starting to sound like. So what this envelope does is that it modulates the pitch on oscillator 1 in this case. So yeah. But we want some more grit to this, make it a little bit more interesting. So we're gonna add another and not have this one the same as the first. That's a bit too much. And then we can add some more voices to it. Maybe a little unisono spread. And we're gonna do what we always do, the dimension expander, just a little bit, to make it a bit bigger. Okay, maybe add some, I don't know, classic tube. And I really like this insert, the parabolic shaper. And now we're gonna try and do some mixing between these two sounds. So maybe, have a few notes on the first and a few notes on the second. And before we play this back, we're gonna make sure, because if you heard it on the first track, there's some pitch changes as well, pitch bends, sorry. And you go to the oscillator tab and just make sure you can go down an octave and up one. And you can do many different things and variations on a sound like this. Now we have only scratched the surface on this one. So let's see, you can try out all these different wavetables. That's pretty cool. Yeah, try it out for yourselves and don't be afraid to experiment, and you don't have to do it exactly like I do it. Just, be creative. Okay. Until next time, bye.